Huda dey na the bar, money man don't call na the bar. Hey, Huda dey na the bar, diamond boy don't drop na the bar. Huda dey na the bar, money man.
What's up, team? Fullest, this is your girl Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So I went to the city, I think some days ago. So I passed by the AC Parade because I wanted to get a new setting powder. So I found the Huda Beauty setting powder. I saw the AC Parade, they have like the shelf where they have the powders in display. So I saw it and I thought, why not just pick it up? I have been hearing about the Huda Beauty product now for such a long time, and I don't think I have one of their eyeshadow. I think that is the one that I first used. I think that's the only product I have from them. And then now I pick up their satin powder. This satin powder reaches for 35 euros, if I'm not mistaken, around 35 euros, 34.99, 35 euros. So, and the shade I pick is Blondie. This is the shade that I pick. So I have I've already put on my foundation, but I haven't concealed, so I wanted to give this powder a try. Let me know if you have used this powder and what you think about it. Like, is it a good one? Gonna find something to open because I don't have nails. I don't even have anything here to open this. Oh, I have no scissors because I don't have nails. Let's open and see. Ooh, when you open, this is what it looks like. Very beautiful. This is what it looks like when you open it. It's beautiful. Okay, take it out of the box, and here you got the setting powder. This is huge compared to the okay, this is also a lot inside. You guys know my favorite setting powder has been the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder. Like, now I have the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder is finished, so now I have like the Morphe and Makeup Revolution. Those are the only two setting powder I have right now. So I wanted to go and pick a new setting powder. I thought, you know what, let me try something new. So this is the Huda Beauty setting powder. Let's open it. Ooh. Ooh, this is so nice. Okay, so that is the powder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to highlights because I'm going to use that to set. I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Modern Concealer. This is in 338. So I'm going to use this to conceal, and I really want to see how this powder will look. I've read a really great review on this powder because I love the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder. That powder has been my favorite. I've purchased it like 3 or 4 times now, but this time when it's finished, I thought, okay, let me try something new. So now that I've put the concealer, I'm going to be using my Real Technique Real Technique sponge. I'm just gonna blend that smoothly. Blend, 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 blend. So I've also gone ahead to contour. I use also my L'Oreal Paris stick concealer in 250. So I've also used that to contour, and I've put the highlighter, the foundation. I love the way it blends. So now it's time to try this new powder. I'm super excited. I've seen some great review on this powder, so let's dip. I love the fact that it has like this little net. Okay, I thought Blondie was gonna be a little bit too light, but I'm kind of loving it. Oh, it has this really beautiful of smell. Okay, I'm loving the powder. Like, ooh, I love the powder. It smells so now it's time to wipe this powder off. I'm going to be taking my Makeup Revolution matte base setting powder in P15. I'm going to use this to wipe off all this excess powder. And also set my face. I love the smell of this Huda Beauty powder. The smell is really nice. Set the entire face. So now that we've done that, I'm so in love with this powder. Ooh, I'm already loving it. Now it's time to contour, but today I'm going to be using the LA Girl contour powder. I'm gonna use that to contour today. Just want to try something new. Not something new. I have had this powder now for a very long time. It used to be one of my favorites. So now that I've done that, I'm also going to add a little bit of blush. I'm going to be using this LA Girl blush. Just to give my face a little bit of color, a little bit of warmness. Now that is done, let's do the lips. I'm going to be using this is my Essence lip liner. I can't even see the name, but I'll leave the name for you guys in the description box. I'm going to be using this Makeup Revolution lip gloss. So now it's time to highlight. I'm going to be using this OFRA Cosmetic highlighter. This is what I'm going to be using with this highlighter. You want to go a little bit. And now I'm going to be using this Mario the Busky spray, face spray. I've used this now 3 times and I love it. So yeah. So team, this is like almost 2 hours later since I set my face with a setting spray. I had to go somewhere very quickly, so I just ran. Where I'm going, I'm just coming back. So yeah, I just want to come and share with you guys the setting powder. I've been wearing it now for like 2 hours, and I've went out. It's very windy, breezy out there, even though the sun is shining, but it's very cold. So far I really love the setting powder. I love the way my under eye look. Like, even though the powder looks very, very bright on the packaging, it looks very, very bright, but actually when you put it underneath your eyes, it gives you this really natural glow. And maybe it's also because the concealer I use is not like super light, but this is how I like my makeup to look when I do makeup. I want it to look a little bit more natural, a little bit on the natural side, because I really love that natural vibes when it comes to makeup. So yeah, I really love this. I wanted to get their concealer as well, but the concealer were in tubes, you know, like something like this, not more different than this. But then when I test the concealer on my hand, it was a little bit too thick, and it's a little too thick, and I don't like a really thick concealer underneath my eyes like that. It becomes a little bit too heavy for me. So that's the reason why I didn't pick up the concealer, because I really wanted to try both products at the same time. So yeah, but so far I love the setting powder. Now I have 3 different brands. I have the Makeup Revolution and I have the Morphe setting powder. So yeah, and when this one is finished, or when the Morphe setting powder is finished, I'm going to be picking up another powder. If you guys have any other powder that you guys think give this a try, it's nice on dark skin, let me know. I actually wanted to try the Rihanna setting powder, so I don't know, maybe when one of these products finish, I'm going to buy that one and use it. I don't really like to buy a lot of makeup these days, because like I have so much makeup, and I love the natural look. So I have so many eyeshadow palettes I don't play with. So yeah, I just wait when a product is finished and then I replace it with a new one that I've been wanting to try. So guys, this is the finished result. Let me know what you all think. I really like this powder. I can't wait to try it. I will be wearing this. My coming videos, this is what you guys are going to see. So yeah, Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Heb je vragen? Laat mij weten in de commentbox of stuur mij een WhatsApp bericht. Alle informatie staat in de beschrijvingsbox. Team Fullest, peace out.